Namaskaram, everyone. Namaskaram. Thank you. The practice today is a meditation, and we all going to meditate together. Now, when you're meditating together, the meditation in today's world is a very heavy word for many people, where they think they cannot meditate because it's too much for most of the people. So, to understand today's practice, it's a very simple practice. So, don't need to really think about I cannot meditate or I cannot do stuff, because the meditation, what we have known, is controlling the mind. I would say instead of controlling the mind, we will guide and train our mind. And when we train our mind, automatically it will come in our control. So, when we do the practice, try not to focus on thoughts that much, or try not to stop your mind from thinking. I would say if thoughts are coming, let them come, let them flow. You just enjoy the moment as upon guidance. I'm reminding again, don't try to stop your mind from thinking. The practice of meditation is not to stop the mind from thinking. In fact, it's to train the mind how we can think well. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep our hands, palms facing up, place on your thighs, on your legs, and sit with back straight and close your eyes. It's a simple meditation, not much effort. If you're trying to make effort, then you are unable to meditate. So just simply sit. See if you can find a comfortable position to sit, where you feel already sitting as you're sitting in a comfortable and relaxed pose. You can sit on a chair, you can sit on the floor. Keep your back straight. One thing, we make sure that we need to keep our back straight. Body loose and relax. Notice if you can hear my voice. Notice what other sounds you can hear at this moment. If there are thoughts in the mind, let them be. Don't try to control the mind. Don't try to change the body again and again. Once you find a position, try to be still for a few moments. And for a few moments, keep your eyes closed. Don't open your eyes until I ask you to open. Just sit with eyes closed. And observe the sounds that you can hear at this moment. Any and every sound that you can hear at this moment. If you notice, there are so many sounds around us. Try to notice every sound without getting stuck to one sound and without getting bothered with one sound. If it's too loud, notice it's a loud sound. If it's too soft, notice it's a soft sound, just a sound. We are going to take 5 deep breaths. When you take a deep breath, make sure that you are not making any sound. So, take a deep breath in and exhale through your nose completely. Take another deep breath in. Exhale through your nose completely. Now we're going to take a deep breath in and see that you are pulling a lot of energy within from the universe. Take a deep breath in and take the energy from the universe. And as you exhale, let go of all your problems through your nose. Give it to the universe. One more time, take a deep breath in, take energy from the universe. And as you let go through your nose, give all your problems, miseries back to the universe. One last time, take a deep breath in, take a lot of love and compassion from the universe. And as you exhale, give a lot of love and compassion to the universe. Now observe silence for a few moments and notice where is your mind going, and wherever it's going, let it go. Just notice. Where is your mind going? Now bring your awareness to one thought that is very prominent in your mind. Any one thought. Notice the intensity of the thought. If there is no thought that is strong enough, let it go. Only a thought that is very strong, which is very prominent. Check the intensity of the thought. Now let go of the thought. Now bring your awareness to your breath. I want you to take one deep breath in. Take a deep breath in, the deepest breath, and hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and let go of the breath. Breathe naturally. And as you breathe naturally, do you notice the thought that was strong enough? Is it still there? Just if it's there, great. If it's not there, great. Just notice that. We will have an intention, a manifestation, affirmation for the rest of the week. I want you to place your right hand on the center of your chest, the heart center, the center of love and compassion, and place the left hand on top of it. Feel the connection of your hands on your heart center. This is a center of love and compassion. I'm going to give you an affirmation. You can use this affirmation for the rest of the week. You can repeat after me for the first time. I am a joyful being. I am a joyful being. Chant it loudly, loud enough that your ears can hear these words. I am a joyful being. Now when you're chanting, mean every word what you're chanting. And feel every word as you're hearing, I am a joyful being. Feel the touch of your hands on your heart center. Hear the voice of your own and keep chanting for some time. Let every cell of your body hear these words and understand what you're trying to manifest, what you're trying to realize. I am a joyful being. I am a joyful being. I am a joyful being. Continue to chant for a few more moments as I give you silence from my end. Now you can let go of the mantra, let go of the affirmation and sit in silence and feel the touch of your hands on your heart center. Experience a joyful being from within. Experience your inner warmth. Experience your compassion for yourself. Experience your love for yourself. Now I want you to rub your palms together. Generate some energy. Place your palms over your eyes. feel the heat on your eyes and feel the warmth in your heart. Remember the affirmation, remember the mantra, I am a joyful being. You can slowly open your eyes, bring your hands in front of your face, look at your palms, and loudly say thank to yourself. Thank to this life, thank to the universe. Thank you for joining me. Have a fantastic, fantastic day. Om Shanti.